In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into iContact. Before you click anything, start by preparing a clean contact file. Open your spreadsheet tool and organize your data into a simple table, then save it as a CSV. Make sure the very first row contains clear column headers. Email is required, and it should be the exact header name you use for email addresses. Add first name and last name if you have them, plus any other details you want to bring in, like company or phone. Keep one person per row, avoid blank lines, and take a moment to fix typos and remove duplicates. A tidy CSV will save you time later and ensure your contacts land exactly where you expect. Next, log into your iContact account. Go to app.icontact.com and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, head to the Contacts area. Depending on your layout, you'll see a Contacts tab or a side navigation menu. Choose the option to add contacts, then select Upload from File so you can bring in that CSV you just prepared. Now upload your file. Click Upload from File, browse to your CSV, and confirm. If you have a larger list, it may take a moment to process. iContact will read your headers and get ready for mapping. You'll then match the columns in your file to the fields in iContact. Map email to email, first name to first name, last name to last name, and align any other columns to the best matching fields available. If there's a column you don't need, you can leave it unmapped. Careful mapping ensures that details like names and companies end up in the right place for personalization and segmentation later. After that, choose where these contacts will live. Select the list or lists you want to add them to so they're organized from the start. You can also decide whether to send a confirmation or opt-in message. Enabling confirmations can help maintain a high-quality list and support compliance with consent requirements, especially if your contacts haven't recently opted in. When everything looks correct, click Next to review the summary. Double-check the number of contacts, the field mappings, and the target lists. If all is good, confirm to start the import. iContact will display a status as it processes your file. Once it finishes, your contacts will be added to the selected lists and will be ready to use in your email campaigns, including segmentation and personalization with the fields you mapped. That's it. Your contacts are now in iContact and ready to go.